What is up, guys? This is JR Productions here with another video, and today we are putting this blow valve on this 2017 Honda Civic Touring. So as you guys can see, it has the original stock blow valve, and we're gonna put this blow valve for whooshy noises. And yeah, guys. That's how it sounds stock. So guys, this is how the blow valve originally looks, and you kind of just slap this plate on here this way. Make sure this piece is going this way, right there, facing like this, and then you kind of just slap it on there. It's a little harder than it looks, but kind of like this. So guys, 4 hours later, screwing 3 bolts. This is how it should look. It's kind of hard screwing bolts because of the space and playing around with this thing, but we got it done. Yep. And let's crank this bitch up. You could hear it. Alright guys, we just finished doing the install in Daniel's car. We're gonna take this car for a spin. As you can see, guys, I also strapped up the GoPro so you guys can hear some turbo noises from the outside. Let's go for a spin. Have the windows low. The ditch.
Yeah, it feels like it's I don't know why they put 30 pounds of salt.
Sounds so good.
Lose control.
Yeah, it sounds so good though. No, cops, no. Oh yeah. This one was louder. Well guys, I hope you guys liked the video. It was a pretty easy install to do, and it's something that's probably less than 10 minutes to do, and it makes the car sounds 100 times better. So I hope you guys subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys. Peace out.